Latest transfer news. Amathimba amaningi athenga abekho team iyathenga na. So uzoqala nje ngeindaba ebehamba phambili namhlanje regarding umdlali odlalele Bafana okuba na Olwethu Makhanya. Siyamazi ke bafuthu Olwethu Makhanya, the former Steelers player who is currently playing in the MLS with the likes of Abombokazi. He is currently playing for iPhiladelphia Union. Leyo club ke bafethu abaningi bayazi ke leyo. Idlala nje kakhulu kwi-MLS, yabo. So umjida ke use attract ama team amaningi ngale eEurope, yabo. So lawo ma team kubalwa ini na? Kubalwa iGlasgow Rangers. Siyazi ke iRangers umdlali oyedlalela iSundowns ubedlalela futhi amaZulu sekayidlalela le club la ubani na ukubongani Zungu. So ubongani Zungu ke unalo ulwazi oluningi ngale club le. So naye ke uOlwethu umjida bafethu uyithole ke esethandwa iyona leya club le. Kungenzeka umjida simbone esemuva eyale eScotland ayodlalela yona iGlasgow Rangers. Le club ke le bafethu siyayisibone ko Champions League, siyayisibone ko Europa. So kungabe iclub right kakhulu for umjida, inabadlali aba right kakhulu, ibhola liyaziwa lapho. So kungaba stepping stone right kakhulu for yena, because uma esedlalela ko Glasgow Rangers maningi ama team akhona kwi-Premier League asengakwazi ke amscout umjida ambone izidefending rights mase ke amlanda ayodlala ku-Premier League. I feel like ukuyodlala kule league le iGlasgow Rangers, it is the closest thing to playing in the EPL. But ke mina ngokwami I think it will be a good move if ke iGlasgow Rangers imsayine umjida, because I remember back then lo mdlali lo ubedlalela eMamelodi Sundowns waseke sejoina isikhukhuna kuba uRivaldo José. I think yena he was linked with inina le club le ibizwa ngale club le iCeltic. I think so wasayinele iCeltic back in 2017 if I'm not mistaken, but ke umjida wahlushwa ama injury. Nako ke iCeltic sidecide ukuthi ke umjida engamlandi. He was potentially going to replace Virgil van Dijk, because if you remember Virgil van Dijk was signed khona kwiGlasgow, was signed kuyona iCeltics, yabo. So yena ke it's a pity umjida ke akwazanga ukuthi ke ahamba ayodlala khona isikhathi esiningi. Umjida ke wahlushwa ama injury wasegcina esehlala kuyona eMamelodi Sundowns. Na khona kwiSundowns aqhubeka futhi ke amhlupha ama injury. Lapho ke iSundowns agcina isimdedela esodlala na kwisikhukhuna futhi ahlala ngesikhathi esiningi because isikhukhuna sigcina simdedela. But ke big ups to Olwethu Makhanya. Let's hope le deal le ikuzoba i-deal end. Kwezi indaba eziphumelela former TS Galaxy and Cape Town City striker uZenan Zajmovic umjida kusethole iclub entsha eUzbekistan ibizwa ngeSOK Diona Jizak, yabo angikwazi ukupronounce kahle le gama, but ke remember recently umjida he joined iCape Town City. Before ajoin iCape Town City he was playing for another club edlala khona eUzbekistan, yabo ngosikhathi ahamba kuTS Galaxy wayale Uzbekistan odlala kwenye club. Wathi ke esedlala kuleyo club washiya isiphelile isizini ojoin iCape Town City. Usathanda kuhamba nje kuCape Town City, usebuyelele eUzbekistan. Asazi kwenzakalani regarding yena umjida. Last season we didn't see much of him because he was playing kwi-NFD. We don't see a lot of games adlala kwi-NFD, which is something I don't like. Kwibhola la South Africa we should get to see more NFD games. But again, that is the story for another day. But again, let's hope umjida uzofika adlale kahle. I wish he played for a team ekhona la ku-Better Premiership, but again it looks like ama agents akhe athanda ayodlala le eUzbekistan. Kwezi indaba eziphumile izolo engayikhavarishanga iSteelers sesayine ugoalkeeper omusha. Remember ke bafethu Oscarin Masuluke umjida uyahamba. Njengoba nje kuhamba uOscarin Masuluke, they've signed a player obedlalela iAuckland City. Igama lalo mjida uNathan Gero. Let's hope ke umjida uzofika adlale kahle. By the way, this is a permanent transfer. It's not a loan. They signed this player on a permanent, so they made sure ukuthi ke baya all out in signing a new goalkeeper, because masubheke the current goalkeeper they have bayabona ukuthi ke iminyaka isiyahamba, so they went for a young goalkeeper oqhamuka le kwiAuckland City. I think Auckland City idlalile kwiClub World Cup recently. Kwezi indaba eziphumile ke bafethu officially amaZulu ama-announcile uSinesipho Mali as their new club head of football strategy. Kwezi indaba eziphumile ke bafethu ubani na uSurprise Ralano usewucoach permanently. Umjida ucoacha iclub edlalela le kwiNorthern Cape ABC Motsepe League ebizwa ngeGaza United. Simfisela ukuhle ke bafethu. I like to see more South African former players are going into the same routes ayihambayo. Ubani na uSurprise Ralani bangayi kohlala kuma podcast kakhulu, but ke bahambe bayocoacha sibone ke izinto abayisho ukuthi ke ingabe lezi zinto abayishoyo bayakwazi ukuthi ke bona siveze, yabo baziveze sibone ukuthi ke ilevel yebhola banayo ngempela yini, bangahlali lapha abafethu ba discredit abadlali abasadlala njengamanje. Yabo bakhulume kabi ngabadlali abasadlala, kumele baye sibabone bothola iziqu becoacha. Yabo kukhuluma abantu asibazi ukuthi ke bawo coach abacoach ama clubs. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumileke abafethu, iMagesi ke namhlanje announcile ukuthi ke isidedele abadlali okubalwa khona bana uThabang Sibanyoni, uSibisiswe Magaqa noLevi Mashiyana abagcinanga ke kulawo badlali because bagcine badedela noMariba, badedela noMatima, badedela nobanina noMasegela, uSamuel Dopra, uNdlozi ke bafethu nyawazi kudaba lakho uNdlozi. Mase ke badedela nobani na, badedela noKabelo Mahlasela. Yabo amathimo amaningi adedela ngempela these days, but ke it looks like iMagesi FC they are going to sign some other players singesazi, but ke letho babachita njengoba bededeliwe nje bazokwazi ke bathole ama clubs akhona kwiBetway Premiership bazoba sign. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile abafethu, the two Orlando Pirates veterans okuba na okuDion Hotto benoMakehleni Makhawula kubuye ngathi ke iOrlando Pirates ikhuphulile icontract yabo, basazoqhubeka nje badlalele yona iOrlando Pirates, okuyindaba ezinhle ngempela ke lezi ngoba I spoke about uMakehleni Makhawula with uDion Hotto. These two guys for Orlando Pirates njoba nje bezothatha nje iproject ukuthi ke baye eAfrica bayo challenge for iChampions League, you need players like uDion Hotto and uMakehleni Makhawula. Why ngisho njalo na? These guys for Orlando Pirates, they've seen it all. Yabo, they've seen it all. They've played in the big stages with the Orlando Pirates. So if you are going to push these new guys abangakazi bayodlala kwiCAF Champions League, ngeke babone lutho lapha phambili, abazi ukuthi ke bayohlangabezana nani. So if you have these players who has the experience, who have played for Orlando Pirates previously in these big moments, these guys, they know to get what to expect Megiwale Africa. Yabo. So I really like into ke eyenziwe management, if it's true though, because currently akakabi into esa announce but ke umjita kubuye ngathi ke uya trainer with the Orlando Pirates eSpain. We've seen countless pictures and videos currently training with the Orlando Pirates njengoba beyodlala eSpain, same as uMakehleni Makhawula. We saw the pictures, so they are currently training with the Orlando Pirates. These are actually good news. Yabo. Ngingengazi ke some people might say they must open doors for the younger generation, they must just leave kusamnandi bangazi bahambe, but ke mina ngokwami I think it's better ukuthi ke bakhona bakothi ke bayidlalise kahle le younger generation bayifake endleleni. Yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu, iMagesi FC announcele ke isponsor, bayosponsorishwa bani na, bazosponsorishwa iMonflair kule season esiya kuyona njengoba nje beyodlala le kwiMotsepe Foundation, bayosponsorishwa